Kate Lessard, lead admin evangelist on the admin relations team here at Salesforce, and I've been spending some time getting to know Agentforce Vibes. In today's Agentforce Decoded video, I want to show you a great use case for admins and something I'm doing in a real org that the admin relations team uses here at Salesforce. You can see this is our content management org. We've got our awesome admin logo in the corner. This is really where I do work. So there are a couple of ways that you can access Agentforce Vibes, either as an extension in VS Code or in the IDE, which is what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to click our setup icon and head over to Agentforce Vibes. So today we're going to use the IDE and we're going to generate a SOQL query using Vibes. So as a bit of background, for those of you not familiar with SOQL, it's an abbreviation for Salesforce Object Query Language, and it's a great way to ask your CRM questions about your data. As an admin, I use SOQL regularly as a means to get answers and results that I can easily refine. And you can also use reports to get these answers, but I find SOQL to be really deeply flexible when I'm updating criteria that might require a different report type. And with SOQL, I can just amend the statement rather than starting over with a new custom report type. So here I am in the Agentforce interface, and I am going to head over to our Vibe Cody icon, click that open, and open up Agentforce Vibes. So in this interface, I'm going to make sure that I'm in the plan mode. So if I hover over plan here, you can see that this is the mode where Agentforce will gather information to architect a plan. And I'm going to use natural language prompt to generate my query. So I'm going to just add a prompt right here. I'm asking Vibes to help me generate a SOQL query to find content records with a published date in 2025, where the record type is video and the owner is Kate Lessard. I'm doing this because I'm prepping for the end of the year and I want to get a little bit of information about the video content I've created, including Agentforce Decoded demos like this one. So I will let Vibes do its thing. And this is a really great use case for admins because Vibes is going to take our prompt, it's going to plug it into the proper SOQL format, which is select our fields from our object, and then we enter our criteria by using elements such as where, limit, or order by. Okay. It looks like Agentforce has generated our query. I'm going to head all the way up to the top here and take a look at what it's done. So you can see that my task, my prompt that I put in is right up here at the top. And it is going to start off making a couple different assumptions and giving me some options. So in option A, it is going to look at how we track publish date. And it is going to give me a SOQL query right here that I could use. Okay, that looks pretty good using our record type of video. And then option B is applying if I use a library experience and a different type of timestamp. So it's giving me another option right here that I'm able to use. If I scroll down, it has a couple of different notes that I can review and make sure that Vibes is understanding my request, looking at the correct fields and criteria that I'm asking for. And it even has a question for me that I can go ahead and answer. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look. Options A and B. Okay, and my answer is going to be B. Okay. So it's just going to take that, give me the completed task, provide me with my query. And now I have the option to actually go ahead and accept this and insert it into my file the same way I would with an Apex class. You can see that I could go to the act mode right here where Agentforce will complete the task immediately. Or another option would be that I could just take this query and plug it directly into the SOQL builder. Agentforce Vibes helped me make sure that my query was correct. It gave me the building blocks of what I needed to use SOQL for answers in my actual Salesforce org, and that is pretty cool.